Hello, engineers. How we will keep productive in day-to-day basis, because the productivity is much more important. We say that if you have a good time management, we can be productive. We can have good focus on the work what we are doing. We can make it more productive, and we have all the resources in place. We can make the day more productive, and we have a clear plan about what we are going to do for the day. We can make the day more productive, and there can be many suggestions from you people how we can make our day more productive, how you can keep your days more productive. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I'm the engineer's growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living. My mission is to transform 1 million engineers as knowledge givers with high income growth and happy living. We were discussing about how we can keep our days more productive. Let us see some of the points. The first point is that to start the day with a clear plan. Make a to-do list for the day and prioritize the task and set achievable goals. The second one is establish a morning routine. Start your day with a healthy breakfast, exercise, meditate, or read to help you feel energized and focused for the day ahead. Other one is avoid distraction. Turn off notifications, limit social media use, and avoid multitasking to stay focused on your tasks. Take break. So if you are continuously working without break, that also reduce our efficiency. So we have to take enough break. So take short breaks throughout the day to stretch, walk around, or rest your mind to avoid burnout. Then other one is that manage your time. Use a timer to keep track of your time and set specific time slot for specific tasks. Stay organized. Keep your workplace tidy and use tools such as calendars, sticky notes, or productivity apps to help you to stay organized and on track, organized and on track. And we have also to make sure that the things required for the day's work also available with us. Then stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and inspired throughout the day. It could be listening to your music, reading motivational quotes, or taking breaks to do things you enjoy. Then other point is learn to say no. Don't overcommit yourself, and learn to say no to tasks or projects that don't align with your goals and values. So listen and learn to say no. Then seek feedback. Ask for feedback from colleagues, friends, or family members to help you to improve your work and identify the areas where you can grow. Then don't forget to celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may be, to help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Hope that some of these points you can take away to implement yourself. I also want to know from you what all the points you consider to, what all the points you think and you have to say to us that will make your day more productive. I want your answers. I want your thoughts on this, and please comment below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Come back again and watch more videos coming up on engineers growth. A good day.